Hey everyone, welcome back. You do not need Bumble Premium or Boost to get matches. You can use Bumble completely free if you use it the right way. First, make sure that your profile is optimized. Use clear photos with good lighting and at least one smiling face photo. Avoid blurry or group photos as your first image. Next, write a short and honest bio. A simple bio that shows personality works better than long descriptions. Use your daily free swipes wisely. Do not swipe right on everyone. Bumble's algorithm favors counts that swipe selectively. One, the best open the app during peak hours. The best time to use Bumble is in the evening hours when most users are active. This increases your chances of being seen. Complete all profile sections like insert, interest, prompts, and verifications. Fully completed profiles get higher visibility even on free accounts. Right the with the right profile and timing, Bumble works perfectly without spending any money, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.